Using a clay bar on your car is an easy way to remove dirt, dust, and other tiny particles that washing alone cannot clean. It helps make your car's paint smooth, shiny, and ready for polishing or waxing. There are simple methods to use a clay bar on your car properly. Chemical Guy's Clay Bar Kit effectively eliminates dirt and contaminants, restoring a smooth car surface. Begin by applying the clay lubricant onto a small portion of the vehicle's exterior. Ensure the surface is thoroughly covered so the clay bar can move easily without causing scratches. After that, mist a layer of soapy water evenly over the same area. This creates a slippery surface, allowing the clay bar to slide effortlessly while safely removing dirt and impurities from the paint. Next, break off a small piece of the clay bar and gently knead it before use on the paint. Then, shape the small piece of clay bar into a flat, rectangular form for easier handling on the surface. Gently position the clay bar on the slick, lubricated section of the car. Carefully move it across the paint in smooth, overlapping motions, letting it remove trapped dirt and grime without harming the finish. Again, spray soapy water generously over the car's surface to keep it slick. This helps the clay bar slide smoothly and lift away dirt and grime without scratching the paint. Take the clay bar and gently glide it over the lubricated car surface to remove dirt and grime. Apply a small amount of car polish onto the surface, spreading it evenly to restore shine and smoothness. You can see your car's surface is clean after removing dirt with the clay bar. Meguiar's Clay Bar removes embedded dirt and contaminants, leaving the car's paint smooth and clean. Start by thoroughly washing the car with soapy water to remove surface dirt and dust. Rinse it well to ensure all soap and grime are completely washed away before drying. After washing, take a soft microfiber cloth and carefully dry the car's surface. Gently wipe all areas, ensuring no water spots or streaks remain, while protecting the paint from scratches during the drying process. Next, generously spray Meguiar's Clay Bar lubricant onto a small section of the car's surface. Ensure the area is fully coated so the clay bar can glide smoothly without scratching the paint. Then, gently press the clay bar onto the lubricated section of the car's surface. Move it slowly back and forth, allowing it to lift dirt and contaminants safely from the paint. Next, spray the cleaning solution onto a clean microfiber cloth. Use the cloth to gently wipe the car's surface, spreading the solution evenly while safely removing dirt and smudges. Then, apply a small amount of car polish onto an applicator pad and gently spread it over the car's surface in circular motions, ensuring even coverage and a smooth, shiny finish. After applying the polish, you can see that the car's surface is clean and shiny. By applying these methods and products, you can properly clay bar your car.